Hey, how are you?
Hey, hey.
So you recommended earlier this year a specific oil for when I was doing the materialization breath for classes. And I
Mhm.
did it that last time. The
Huh?
second time, I did some different techniques and some other things that we worked through, and I'm not having the same results. And I cannot seem to find
It was Rue.
oil. It was Rue.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Okay.
and so and here's the reason. Like the so the thing with the materialization breath is, it's kind of like what we're talking about with Lama Yoga, but with the throat lock. So you inhale, hold your breath, and then move your head, and then exhale, right? And so Lama Yoga, where you're inhaling up, exhaling down, which they're very similar. It's just one you hold your breath for a bit. Is the Lama Yoga is very cleansing to the body for like thought forms and things that are stuck in the body and the nervous system and the tissues, right? And so helps with peace, it helps with stillness, it helps with psychological healing, helps with physical healing. But the thing with the materialization breath, where you hold your breath in between, it breaks up elementals. Like it breaks up the condition, basically the effects of conditioning over a period of time. And so that's why, like, when you're trying to integrate something into the heart and it's not getting in, is a lot of it is past conditioning. Like in the conditioning, if you look at it from the point of view, is elementals. And so you go through and you start to do the breath, that starts to break up the elementals. But then when you add rue to the mix, like the different oils do slightly different things. It's rue is very specific for conflict resolution. And not that you're having conflict with people, but you're in a time where society and the environment, there's a lot going on, right? It's unstable, it's chaotic, and like you're stepping into the field of chaos to try to do something. And so in a way you have that as the conflict. And so it just helps with the conflict resolution for helping to produce the result in that particular situation. Other situations that might be kind of different, but for something like that, Rue is a really good choice for right now. And a lot of people could use that same idea technique where, in some of the classes we use like cinnamon and we use like hyssop and we're using different things. They all kind of slightly do different things and all kind of are working towards materialization, but when it comes to conflict resolution, Rue is like the go-to thing. Yeah. I mean, it's why we also use it for courts. A negative court for somebody is a conflict that is getting resolved. You're literally like going, yeah, I'm disconnecting from you. Done.
Wonderful. So stay
Yeah.
tuned. See what that and a few Hail Marys, and we'll see what happens.
You're doing fine.
A few hundred.
Yeah.
I do have a question